This is beautiful. 49 Packard Sedan, station sedan. Look at this. The wood is just bolted on the sides, but not actually over on the... I'm going to open the door gently. You can see how it's on there, right over. Look at that, gorgeous. What a beautiful interior. Manual transmission. Oh. And look at back there, all that room. Station wagons were really coming in. I love the shifter with the bend to make it nicer. This is gorgeous. Price when new, $3,200. Inline flatheads, 8, of course. Very nice. Oh gosh, these doors close with such authority. Now, this is where the wood comes through, is actually on the back. That is truly a woody. Very, very rare bird to see. Interesting lines. Very interesting lines. Gorgeous. The wood in the back. You can see a tailgate, and it's a clamshell. Again, 1949 Packard sedan wagon. Let's see what they're asking for this absolutely magnificent Packard. $65,000. And if you don't believe me, just ask the woman who owns one. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2023 Fall Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the show.